What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Google Pomelli, a full review. And I'll show you how exactly it works in just under 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. So, the biggest problem with most AI design tools is that the templates always look generic. Pomelli fixes this instantly. You literally just pass your website URL into the dashboard. In minutes, the AI scans your entire site and extracts your business DNA, your exact color hex codes, your typography, your logos, and even your specific brand tone. From that point on, every single post it generates, it perfectly locked into your brand identity is scary that it is very accurate. Now, once your DNA is set, just tell the AI what you want to promote. Say, launch my new tech tutorial. Pomelli instantly splits out the multiple fully designed variations for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, complete with the captions. And with the massive 2026 updates, it's even crazier. You can now use the photo shoot feature to turn a basic photo into a studio quality shot, or just hit the animate button to instantly turn any static post into a high quality video ad. Isn't that crazy? So, is it actually worth using? Yes, absolutely, especially because it's completely free right now. But there is the massive catch nobody is talking about. Pomelli has zero native scheduling tools. You cannot auto-post directly to your accounts. You have to manually download every single asset and upload them to your own social scheduler. If you value pre-designed speed over auto-posting convenience, it's a massive win. But if you hate spending hours tweaking layouts, you need to go try this out. If this quick review helped you out today, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.